All right, today we are continuing learning about our teen numbers. We have learned about the number 11, 12, 13, 14, and now we get to learn about the number 15. 15. Let me write it on the board for you so you can see what it looks like. Number 15 is a 1 and then a 5 beside it. This is our number 15. Let's go down to our number line and find the number 15. Well, as we've been talking about this week, our teen numbers are a group of 10 and then some more. So 11 is 10 and then 1 more. 12 is 10 and then 2 more. 13 is 10 and then 3 more. 14 is 10 and then 4 more. So how many more do you think 15 is from 10? We're going to start with 10. How many more do you think comes next? 5. 15 is a group of 10 and then 5 more. So since we know that our teen numbers are the numbers that are after the number 10, let's start looking at our number line at the number 10. 10. So if we know that 15 is 10 and then 5 more, let's count up 5 from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our number 15. This number looks like our number up here, 15. I'll bring up my poster. Okay, so we have our big number 15 up here. We have our big number 1 and then our big number 5 beside it. That represents the number 15 in a number, the number 15. We also have our written number, our word, the word 15 up here. 15. So just like what we were talking about the last couple of days, we can represent different numbers with using the same things. We can use counting fingers, we can use our cubes, the dice, dominoes, tally marks, and 10 frames. And this is a number sentence, which we'll get to it at later on, okay? So we use all these things, and I know y'all have seen them all week, so you're probably thinking, all right, enough with the counting fingers, or enough with the tens frame. But if you look closely, you will see that they all look different. Because even though we have counting fingers up here, which might have looked like the counting fingers yesterday, they still represent a new number. Because this number, these fingers up here, they have the number 10, like our other ones do. But if you look closely, you will see that this hand has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 fingers. So the other numbers did not have 5 fingers on their third hand. See, there's 1 hand, 2 hand, and 3 hand. The third hand. So these counting fingers are representing the number 15 because we have 5 and 5, and that makes 10. And then we have 5 more. So if we started with 10, we're going to count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have a representation of 15 with the counting fingers. So we have our group of 10 cubes, and then how many more do we need to make 15? We have 10. How many more do we need? 5 more. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a group of 10 and 5 more. That makes the number 15. Same with our tally marks. So now we have 3 groups of 5. See how they all have 4 lines down? And then they have 1 line across? We know that each of those numbers are 5. It's representing 5 tally marks in each of these sets. So we have 5 and 5, and then we have 5 more. I just colored it in just so y'all could see it a little bit better. So if we know we have 5 here, let's count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. All right, here's our domino. It looks different than the other dominoes we saw this week because this domino should be representing the number 15. Let's count the white dots to make sure that that is representing the number 15. We're going to start on this side. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This domino represents the number 15 because it has 15 white dots on it. Here's our tens frame. We know this one has to be 10 because all of the boxes are full. And we call it a tens frame because it has 10 boxes. So we have our tens frame, which is full. How many more boxes in the next 10 frame need to be filled with the red counters to make 15? Well, we have 10. How many more do we need? 5. 5 more. We need 5 more counters to make 15. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That makes the number 15. We're representing 15 in our tens frames here. All right, last one we're going to look at is our dice. So similar to the tally marks and the hands, we have sets of 5. So we have 5 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember how I said whenever I see the dots in that look like this, I know it's the number 5. 5 will have 2 on top, 2 on bottom, and 1 in the middle. So I know that's the number 5. This dice is representing the number 5. And each of these dice are representing 5. So this one has 5, this one has 5, and this one's the same too. So I know it has 5 as well. So if I start with 5 and I count on, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these dice right here are representing the number 15. So remember, when we're talking about our teen numbers are a group of 10 and then some more. So our number 15 is 10 and then 5 more. Thanks for joining me to learn more about the number 15. Bye.